Hey everyone, this project keeps your Google Calendar automatically updated with upcoming project deadlines from Airtable. Every morning it checks your projects and creates events for any task due within the next 7 days. You can change this timeline here. I have put it for a week, helping you stay on top of deadlines effortlessly. This is a Airtable. The column consists of project name, deadline, description, and the assignee details. Here, one of the One of the row is at 25th of October, which is in a week deadline, and the next one exceeds it at 30th October. Here is a Google Calendar. The 25th of October and 30th October both slots are free. So let's check. Let's execute the workflow. And it has successfully created the event at 25th of October. Product launch, prepare new app release announcement, not on not on 30th October. Yes, product launch details. This is a scheduler trigger. The Airtable node connects to your project table and searches for all records. It pulls project details including project name, assignee description, and deadline. A function node filters project whose deadline is within the next 7 days. It also formats the date neatly in the time zone, adding a readable label like October 21, 2025, etc. Then the calendar node creates the upcoming event on Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.